In this video, we will solve a probability problem involving two urns. The question is, suppose you have two urns. The first urn contains one red and two green balls. The second urn contains two red and three green balls. Suppose you transfer two balls from the first to the second urn. What is the probability that you will draw a red ball from the second urn? To solve this problem, we will look at two cases. In the first case, we move over two green balls to the second urn. In the second case, we move over one green and one red ball to the second urn. Because these two cases are mutually exclusive and cover the whole probability space, we can conclude that by adding up the probabilities of each individual case, we get our final solution. First, we look at case 1. We first wish to know what is the probability of moving two green balls over to the second urn. This is equal to the probability of drawing one green ball from the first urn times the probability of drawing another green ball from the first urn. This is 2/3 times 1/2, which is 1/3. This results in the following diagram, where in the second urn we now have two red balls and five green balls. Now we want to know what is the probability of drawing one red ball from the second urn. This is 2 out of 7 because there are two red balls out of 7 total balls. This means that under case 1, the probability of drawing one red ball is the probability of first moving two green balls over to the second urn times the probability of then drawing one red ball, which is 1/3 times 2/7, which is 2/21. Now we look at case 2. First, we want to know what is the probability of moving one red and one green ball over to the second urn. This is equal to 1 minus the probability of moving over two green balls, because these are the only two cases that can happen. We already found that the probability of moving over two green balls is 1/3, so we can simply substitute this value in. That is 1 minus 1/3, which is equal to 2/3. This results in the following diagram, where in the second urn, we now have 3 red balls out of 7 total balls. Now we want to know what is the probability of drawing a red ball under case 2. This is 3 out of 7 because there are 3 red balls out of 7 total balls in the second urn. This means that under case 2, the probability of drawing one red ball is the probability of moving one red and one green ball over to the second urn times the probability of then drawing one red ball. This is 2/3 times 3/7, which is 6 out of 21. Now we can combine the two probabilities. That is, the probability of drawing one red ball is equal to the probability of drawing one red ball under case 1 plus the probability of drawing one red ball under case 2. This is equal to 2 out of 21 plus 6 out of 21, which gives us 8 out of 21, which is our solution to the problem.